Hello YouTube, how is it going? Last time we decided to get rid of switch case structure here. But what other choice do we have? Of course, I can create two classes for start and default messages and call them when it is needed. But it will not solve the problem. Basically, I want to have infinite numbers of message functions and I want to be able to add new messages, but I don't want to make changes in this controller. For this purpose, we need to divide this code into different parts, and each part should be responsible for its own function. This is the single responsibility principle. Okay, let's dive into it and write some code. In theory, I want to use this command property as a name of class and call exactly this function if it exists. If it doesn't, I will call the default function. Basically, it is the same, but I want to get rid of code that describes particular function. Well, I prepared classes for the messages here. Class messageStart has several properties. In constructor, we fill these properties with data, and text includes the name of class, the ID of user, and other parameters that we get from Telegram. Class default is the same, but the text property has its name of class. Both of these classes extend abstract class message. It says that all child classes must have the same method and properties. Okay, great. Next thing is to invent some magic way to use those classes. The good news here is that such magic way exists. So, here we have a message factory. It takes type of message and checks if that class exists. If it does, factory returns an object of this class. If it doesn't, default class object returns. Therefore, we can send any type of message to the factory, and if this message exists in our namespace, an object of this class will be sent back. How to use this factory in a controller? The message factory is an object of factory class. Then we use a method create and send a command property as a type of new class. Factory makes new object that has getText method, so we can use it. And the particular text depends on type that we send to the factory. So now we have start message and default message. Let's check it out. Yes, there are messages from our new factory. Looks like it works fine. Therefore, we can add new messages with easy, and we are going to add some in the next videos. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.